Looking really good. No wheelies though. Hey guys, welcome to the vlog and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be taking this drink. It's called the Glucose Crush, aka the glucose test that you take in your second trimester of pregnancy. If you don't know what that is, because I definitely didn't know what that was before I was pregnant, it's a test you have to take in your second trimester to see if you have any risk factors of gestational diabetes. So this is what I've heard as the worst drink ever. It's kind of scared me a little bit, but at the same time I'm like not too worried because I thought it was like a bitter drink, but a lot of women are telling me that it's just like really sugary drink, and I like sugar, so I'm hoping that it won't be a problem for me, because if I have to drink or eat something I don't like, it's very difficult for me. So what I'm supposed to do is drink this thing in 5 minutes, in under 5 minutes, and then we have to run over to, or not run over, but drive over to the diagnostic lab and get my blood drawn. I have my 5-minute timer ready to go. Let me smell it. It smells like Fanta or Orange Crush, like actually Orange Crush. Smell it. Doesn't it smell like Orange Crush? That's why it's called Glucose Crush. Okay, here we go. 5 minutes. It's not bad. It literally tastes like Orange Crush. Not bad. I'm glad I could handle that. And I have 2 minutes left. Now we're gonna head to the diagnostic lab, get my blood drawn, and take you on with the rest of our day. All right guys, we're back from the diagnostic lab. I didn't film anything there because it's just me getting my blood drawn, and I'm pretty sure you can't film that. So we're back. Perfect timing because our stroller just arrived from FedEx and I'm super stoked. We're about to set it up and see what it looks like. So we got the Adora 5-in-1 modular travel system from Maxi Cozy. I don't know if that's how you say it. And we checked out the reviews and a lot of people said it was good. They compared it to the Nuna, which was our first choice, and I really like the colors here. I wanted something that was also really pretty but affordable and functional. So with that being said, let's go ahead and put the stroller together. Guys, we got the stroller together. Looking really good. No wheelies though. try and push it around. So this is, oh my gosh, this is with the infant car seat. We're trying to figure, oh, there it is. Look at that. And let me feel the softness. It's very soft.
Comes down when they get older or whatever.
Yeah, this can recline for their feet. Oh my gosh, it looks super cute. Oh, we got the demo, the full demo here. Dude, this is pretty awesome. But we're pretty happy with the stroller so far. We're gonna take probably the next couple months to just test it out whenever we can and get that all worked out. We're gonna go into the nursery and try out a rug that I just got in the mail. So I purchased 2 rugs from Target during the Labor Day sale, and I wasn't sure which one I would like, so that's why it was the perfect time to just purchase 2, and I can always return which one I don't like. And so we're gonna try out the one that arrived today, which is just a regular 5x7 rectangle rug, and then the other one is a round rug. So we're gonna try it out in the nursery and see how it looks. Okay, so we're in the nursery and we have stuff kind of everywhere, so we're gonna move things out of the way so that we can put in the rug. Let me show you guys the rug. Here is our 5x7 rug from Target. It's the Project 62 collection. I've seen this rug before, haven't been completely in love with it, but I think it'll be good for the nursery because it is so soft. It's a shag rug. So this is where we're at. It was only 69 bucks on sale. I think it was original like a little bit over 100 for this 5x7, and I like it in this space. We're gonna have the crib here, and the crib will be like out, so we'll move the rug so that it's not covering most of the rug. So I think this is pretty much a winner. We'll wait and see about the round one, but I'm pretty convinced that this is the rug. It's very soft. So we'll update you guys on the nursery for sure on my Instagram. So if you haven't already, follow me on Instagram, because you can see that I will be posting some stuff on my stories about the nursery and just decorating it. And then we'll have a full reveal of the nursery closer to when the baby comes, because that'll be probably when it's closer to being done. All right guys, before I go, I thought it'd be cool to show you a quick bump date here on my vlog. And I'm currently 25 weeks. Tomorrow I'll be 26 weeks. I'm in my 6th month of pregnancy, and it's going by pretty fast, but then again, it also has its slow moments. I'm just really excited to meet our baby boy. But I'm wearing this jumpsuit here from Amazon, and my tank top is from Target. And this is currently the size of my belly. It's getting bigger, he's getting bigger. We feel him move a lot. I had a dream about what he looked like, and it just made me so excited to just hold him and squeeze him. So I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thank you guys for watching, and make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Subscribing is literally as easy as just having a Gmail account, and most of us have Gmail accounts, so just make sure you log in when you're on YouTube and you can subscribe. It's super easy. And I hope you guys have an awesome week, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.